Hello everyone. Last video we have done this table which is static one. Now in this video we will be adding the products to cart. When we click on this add to cart, here it should be incrementing. This we will do, and this product should be passed in here. So let's do it. So I'll come to my VS Code. First I'll create a service first. So ng g for generate, s for service, and an API folder. I'll create a service named cart. So we can see in API cart service has been created. We can see cart service has been created. So we also need to pass the data from one component to another component. For that, obviously we'll be using the behavior subject which comes from RxJS. So I'll import behavior subject. So I'll keep it in product list. So public product list equals to name behavior subject. That is so first I will be doing the get method. Get product return this dot product list dot as observable. This observable actually used to share the data from one part to another part, so we use the observable. Another thing that is I have to do this add to cart as well. For this also I have to give the logic. Add to cart. So actually we need to push the product as well on one click. So I'll be creating public cart item list for pushing. So this dot, I have to change the spelling. So this dot cart item list dot, I'll use push, and here we will be passing product. Push product. So product will be pushed inside this. So this dot product list dot next we will use because it will be passed whenever it is being called. So I'll go to my header component first and import the cart service, private cart service. So we can see this is static, so we have to make it dynamic now. So this dot cart dot get product, and we'll be subscribing it and take the response. So I just need the length of the response because this will be in the numbers. When we add, it will be 1. So I'll be storing it in a variable. So public total item equals to 0, because by default it is 0, and this dot total item equal to response dot length, and this we have to interpolate. Now to make it working, we have to give a click function for add to cart as well. So I'll come to my product component.ts. Here we will be making private cart service. It got auto imported. Here you can see. So here is our add to cart. So I'll be giving the click function first here. So on add to cart, I'll give click and it is add to cart. So same add to cart I'll do here. To cart. So I'll be giving a parameter, that is item type of any, and here also I have to give the parameter, or else it will throw me an error. So this dot cart dot in that add to cart in our API. So what add to cart does, we have given it here only in our API. It is used to push the product and it will be passed whenever it is been called. So I can console and see the values what has been coming. So console dot log item ID. Go to my browser, keep on inspect. So when I click here, we can see it has been incrementing. We can see in our console the values. Now click, they are coming. So once again I will make. When I click here, we can see this value has been passing. So as of now we are not passing the quantity because we need a quantity here, so that we will pass. And total price also we are not calculating in passing, that also we need to pass here. So we will go to our API cart service.ts and we will do for total price. So first I create get total price, which will be of number. So let grand total equals to 0, I will give equals to 0, because first we are initializing it to 0. I'll remove it for timing. And next, this dot in cart item list will map it and grand total a dot total. So I'll return total. Grand total. So I'll call it in my add to cart function. This dot get total price, because when I click we have to get it, and let me give this type number. So we'll go back to our product component.ts. So now we need to pass the quantity and total price, because we don't have in our API by default. So this dot product list dot for each values so here object dot assign quantity. So one quantity I have to pass on single, and total price. So let us check now. When I add to cart, we can see quantity also has been coming. So when I add to cart, we can see we are calculating quantity and as well as total, which is not there. So this both we are calculating. So if I want to see the another total, I'll go to header component.ts, cart service.ts dot log grand total ID. So we can see if I add this, 2000 will come. If I add again, this is calculating again, 2500 is coming. Again if I add, again 699 has been adding. We can see grand total has been calculating. So now I'll be going to my cart component.ts file. Here I'll be importing cart service, private cart service got auto imported. So this dot cart dot get product will be subscribing and will be taking the response. This get product is coming from here. So I'll go here and I'll store the response somewhere. Like I'll store the response in public products. So I'll go here, this dot products equals to response. So I'll go to my cart.html here. So static data I will remove. So for looping we'll use ng for let item of products, item dot of title it is first one. Item dot title. I will copy this. This is item dot image. We can refer from here. Price, title, description, everything. Next is item dot description. Item dot description. After that, item dot price. Item dot quantity, which we are passing. So even this we are passing item dot total. Item dot total. So let me check now. I'll add to cart. We can say item is been passing. I'll add this as well. We can see both are passing, but this is overlapping. So for this I have to give condition. So I am telling this only show when all the products are been deleted. So when no product is been there, that time you have to show this. Products dot length equals to 0. That time we have to show this. We can see when no product is there, that time it has been showing. When we add the product, that time it disappeared. But we don't need to show this as well. So even for this we will give condition. It will give not equals to 0. Now we can see it has been disappeared. I'll add to cart. We can see it's coming. We can see serial number is coming 1 This I have to fix, because I have given default 1 I plus 1, and here I will give let I be the index. I'll add the product. You can see serial number 1 2 is coming. Grand total is coming 0, and this everything should come outside. This is coming here. This also I need to fix. I'll go here, cut this, and paste below table and see. No, we can't paste below table. I'll try to paste above. Yes, we have pasted here. Now we can see it's coming below. Now I'll fix this grand total. So going to the cart component, first I'll keep public grand total number equals to 0. By default it should be 0. So for the grand total we have already calculated the price and kept in our service. We can see, yeah, get total price we have already done here. So this dot grand total equals to this dot cart dot get total price. So let me interpolate this value, copy this, and instead of 0, so let me add. You can see grand total is being calculated. So here in grand total, I'll be using the pipe, that is currency pipe, currency in Indian. This is a default pipe. If you want, we can do our custom pipe as well. Symbol. So if I add, you can see separator has been come. Separator has been come for this as well. So now I'll be doing delete and this empty. I'll go to my cart service.ts. First let me do empty one. Empty or delete all. So I'll name as remove all cart, and that I'll give this dot cart item list. I'll make it as empty array. So on deletion, this cart will become full empty. So let's check. I'll go to my component.ts and make a function empty cart. So this dot cart dot remove all cart. So on click I have to give empty. So whenever this is fired, click equals to function name is empty cart. So let's check now. So we are come here. I'll add this products and click on empty. Oh, it's not deleting. So let me check my API first. Empty, okay. And we also need to update after that. So I'll copy this So now we can try. I'll add the products to cart and I'll click on empty. We can see all the products are been deleted. So now I'll be implementing the single delete. For this, I'll go back. So I'll create a remove cart item. Remove cart item for single. So this dot cart item list dot map. So nail pass index, let it be any, because we will be deleting by index. If the ID matches, we have to remove by the index, like if product dot ID equals to ID. No, we have to make this product. And this dot cart item list dot splice I will use index comma 1. Here 1 means like we have to remove one item from the list. Product. Okay. And after delete we need also the update. So same thing we will be using. So let me go to my cart component.ts. Here I will be creating delete. So this dot cart dot remove cart item. I'll pass item. So on click we have to delete it. So this is a trash, and here I will be giving click delete. I'll pass item. So let me check now. So I'll be adding the two products. I'll delete. Yeah, it's been deleting. So let's add toast notification. So I'll write the command npm ing angular pop. So the package got installed. So I'll go to my app module.ts, and here I'll be giving ng toast module. This got auto imported. Now we will be using ng toast selector. Let me come to my app.component.html. toast. Let me come to my first product component.ts. Let me use first import ng to service. Over here I'll use private toast to service. Private spelling is wrong. So here I will be writing toast dot success. So first is detail, edit, edit to cart, keep, and summary not to display. Let me use item has been added, and duration I'll keep 1 millisecond. So let me remove this public API. This is not needed actually, and let me see. So we are getting the error. And let me go to my UI. I'll add item to cart. We can say edit to cart. So after going to cart, so for delete also we need something. So for delete we will do. I'll copy the same and come to my cart component.ts here. This also I'll use this message I will use, and this will be not success actually. I'll keep I'll keep warning. Message will change, deleted from cart. Delete. So when I delete, you can say deleted from cart comes. So for empty also I'll keep on. I'll keep for 3 seconds. All items has been deleted. So let's see now. When I click on empty, you can see all deleted all from cart. Let me do once again. Okay. So this completes the project. So thanks for watching this video. Please do like and subscribe.